So I'm really happy with my iDOO hydroponic system that I bought. I wanted a nice compact one. I decided to go with the 12 pods, and I'm really glad I did because I know that as the lettuce heads get larger, I'm going to need more space. So I actually put them in every other one since I know these are going to get fairly large. But I've planted some different types of lettuce and even have some basil growing. And this is only from 3 weeks ago that I planted these seeds. So there's some parsley, and I will show you the root system here. So you can see that's how it looks. And it's really, really cool. It's very simple to put together. Make sure to just follow the instructions. But you put your water in here, and this slides like that. And you can just add your water directly in. Or if you have an open spot, you can do it there too. I really like these that they cover because that prevents the light from getting in, causing algae. This lets you know how much water you have in there and when you need to refill. It has a fan here on top. These are the different controls. So you have your power, and then you have your fan and water, so that will start. And you can hear it, it's very quiet. And that just runs on and off to circulate, and then you can select vegetables or flowers and fruits. Each one has different light spectrums, so just make sure you're using the right one that works for you for what you're growing. So I'm very, very pleased, and I recommend it for an indoor hydroponic system.